I'm going to make a quick video about how to set up your Google Tag Manager analytics in a WordPress environment. Um, Not sure if this will help many of you, but here we go. Uh, I'm sure everybody knows Google Analytics, but let's see here. DK, 2 years. So name, URL. Set for Eastern. Check all the boxes. We don't really need anything other than that. Actually, let's get it from right here. I'm copying and pasting that tracking ID to another location. All right, so now we're going to go here, and this is tagmanager.google.com. DK Interiors. You can choose to share data or not. I don't. This is, the containers are website, iOS app, Android app, and I have no idea. So we're going to track on a web app. I mean a website. Going to agree to the terms and conditions. Now we're going to copy this code and go into the WordPress. I do not remember if this has, it does have a thing, okay. And we use this one. There. And I honestly don't know a ton about what the difference in those is. I use them both because it tells me to. I don't know if you could use one or the other. I just don't know. So, but all right. So now we're here. We're back into the account, and we're going to create our first tag. Click New. All page views. Okay, sorry about that. Had to pause. My tiny human is homesick today, so she was in here. Anyways, all right. So we're going to track page view type. Later on, I'll show you how to do event, but right now we're going to do page view. We're going to create a new variable. We're going to paste our tracking ID that we got from our Google Analytics earlier right there, and we'll save that. We'll name the variable, save, we'll add a trigger, done. All right, so now we want to hit preview, and it'll load us into the preview menu. So now we can go to the website. Actually, let's do this. Let's go ahead and pull up our analytics. So we have no users right now, no active users. once I refresh this, we should get our tag manager view here. And it says one page view. Let's go look at analytics and see if it logged the same data. It did not. Actually, that's probably because I didn't. Okay, I didn't submit it. So version name. Let's name it Google Page Views. Publish. All right, now we should be live. Now when I hit Control Shift R and we reload, now we have a trigger. Okay, cool. All right, so now I'm going to kill that. We're going to go back to our workspace. Now I'm going to include, I don't do this a lot, which is why I'm so clumsy with this. I know what I'm doing kind of for the most part. I'm sure somebody in this group is better at this than I am, but I've got a PDF cheat sheet that I use for myself for a lot of the stuff that I don't do all the time. It's not pretty. It's not. I mean, it's not elegantly worded or anything. It's just essentially a step by step, so I can kind of follow along. I will post that in the comments, a link to it, or if I can actually attach the PDF, I'll use that. So, so now let's go to. Now I'm going to show you how to create an event trigger. First off, you're going to go to your variables, go to configure, and you want to make sure that all your click variables are activated. So now we can see them here. They're there. We're in our workspace. We're going to create a trigger now. Click new. What does he want? I'm guessing the click here to call is probably going to be the best trigger for that. For him, he's not actually selling a product. All right. Now we named it. We're going to go to our trigger type and click all elements. For right now, we want all clicks. We're going to change that in a minute. Save. Now we're going to preview this once again. And now we're going to reload the page. And down here, I'm going to hold Control and click, and we should get a click right here. We'll get it anywhere we click actually, but we want this one right here. And I want to see the variables for this one. Click text. I'm going to copy that. Click here to call. Now we'll go back to our Google Tag Manager and edit it with some clicks. Click element. Oh wait, no, sorry. Click text. Contains that. Click here to call. So what this is basically going to do is only when this button is clicked will it trigger an event. So we're going to save that. And now we'll submit it. Click the call trigger. Go back to workspace. And let's go look at analytics. We're going to look at events. There are no events as of right now. Control Shift R. We're going to refresh this page. and there's no events. If we did this right, which I'm pretty sure we did, when I click right here, it will not show what it's supposed to show. Love it. Or maybe, you know what, that might be not a complete click. No, it's registering. Oh, damn, I'm an idiot. Sorry. Totally missed the whole step here. All right, so we've created a trigger, but we don't have a tag created for that. That's what the problem is. So now we're going to create a new tag. Click event. Call. Let's call it click to call. The tag configuration is going to be Google Analytics. We're going to click event. Event train parameters, call, click to call. Let's do this click. I don't use the other ones. You can. We're going to use this as the trigger, and now we'll save it. Save it. Oh, oops. This is your Google Analytics ID that you put in earlier. Save, and now we're good. So let's submit it. We have two tags. Oh, I totally missed a big step of this. Sorry guys. This extension, you need the extension. This is what I'm using, Tag Assistant by Google. Install it to your Chrome browser, and that is what allows this to show up here. Without that, you won't see that. And I may make a note so that you don't get 15 minutes into this damn thing and before you realize that part. I'm sorry. All right. So now we're back to this page. We're going to reload the page. We still have no events here, but we should once we do that. And this right here shows that we had an event. And there she is. So this whole game is about data collection. And while this probably won't help him a whole lot, because obviously if somebody clicks to call, they're calling him, it will help. I used it as an example just to help you guys. So I hope this helps. I'm going to attach the URL to the extension so that you don't miss that, and the PDF. And if anybody has any questions, let me know.